We'll start here with PHOE. This is PHOE. This is Phoenix Asia Holdings. Looks like the stock popped big intraday on Tuesday, May 5th. There were definitely halts in there based on that chart action. And then it looks like it popped here again this morning on much, much higher volume. This pop took us to 50. We've bled back a lot of those gains. And now we've actually stayed under the VWAP. So needing to get ahead of the VWAP is going to be whatever is next here. Let's take a look at this. I don't see any news from this.
It's old news that it's going on.
Old news that it's going on. Perfect. I'm sure you'll recap that. Taking a look here at the short interest, it literally is nothing. There is 3,410 shares held short in this stock. That is absolutely nothing. That can be covered up in a second. Float on this is 5.5 million. On average, it trades 45,000 shares, almost 800K here today. 13, what's the deal with PHOE?
That move you saw earlier in the week on Tuesday was from the result of a Phoenix Asia entering into a stock acquisition agreement to acquire ACEA Pharma for $1 billion. That carried over. It was announced on Monday after hours. It carried over into Tuesday, and there's been no real news since then. So I think that's just, we're just seeing another push from this because, like you said, there's no other news. I think it's just going on this. Something to keep in mind, though, this company, PHOE, when they acquire ACEA Pharma, they're going to have to, the part of the agreement, it means that they're going to, indicates that they're going to have to issue 100 million shares, and they plan to do that at $10 a share. So there is going to be dilution in order to make this deal happen. You could read this yourself and in the PR, any of the PRs regarding this acquisition. That's what the plan is, because PHOE does not have the cash to take this company over. They need to issue shares. They need to raise capital. They do have some revenue, but it's nowhere near enough in order to make the $1 billion agreement to go through. Otherwise, they have 5.5 million shares, which is about to be diluted. And that is what I've got for PHOE. I think it did have some targets here on the chart. Let me just look real quick. I think it really was just if we're going to see any upside, it's going to be a recapture of VWAP. It's currently getting support from the 65 EMA. This is one that if you're going to try trading this one, make sure you're done with it when your trade is over, because I don't know when that share issuance is coming, but it's coming.